Okay, guys, so let's look at this typical AQA GCSE maths, okay, for the crossover topic between higher tier and foundation tier, okay? So it says, which of the following is the equation of a straight line? Circle your answer, and it's worth 1 mark. Well, the equation of a straight line, guys, is in the form y is equal to mx plus c, okay, where the power of x is a power of 1. Okay, the power of x is a linear power, it's a power of 1. Okay, that's a quadratic because it's x squared. That's a linear, so that is correct. That's the correct answer. But let's just check the others. That's a quadratic because it's got a power of 2 there. And that's what I call a reciprocal graph, okay, so it can't be that one. So the answer is y is equal to x minus 6. It's in the form mx plus c, where the gradient of this line is 1 if you're interested, and the y-intercept, okay, is minus 6. Okay, so it looks something like this if you are interested. Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, so it passes through the point 0 minus 6 on the y-axis, and then it passes through the x-axis at 6, 0, okay, when y is equal to 0, okay, for the x-axis, okay, and that's the answer for this question, okay. So hopefully it makes sense and hopefully you found it useful, okay. So it's looking at straight line graphs, okay, and recognizing that a straight line graph, okay, or an equation of a straight line is in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where the coefficient, okay, of x is my gradient, okay, and the x has to be x to the power of 1. Okay, remember that just 1x, okay, remember, means 1x to the power of 1 in maths, okay? If it's a power of 2, then it's a quadratic. If it's a power of 3, then it's a cubic. If it's a power of 4, then it's a quartic. If it's a power of 5, it's a quintic, okay? And so on and so forth, okay? And if it's a reciprocal, it will be a number over x, because I can write that as y is equal to 6x to the minus 1. And the minus 1 is what I call the inverse. It flips it, okay? Thanks for watching.